Street art has opened up many people that would otherwise never go to art galleries or never care about art. It's opened up their minds and blown their minds. G'day, my name's Doyle, Adrian Doyle, and I run Blender Studios. But first and foremost, I'm an artist, a research artist and a street artist. For me, my art is all about messing up the idea of the Australian dreams. There's a couple of different kinds of street art. So if you're going to do a mural, I tend to just draw it and then fix it as I go. But if I'm doing a stencil, right, I'll just smash it out here at the studio, cut out the stencil. The art is in the cutting of it. And then after that, the spraying of it doesn't really matter, you know, and just spray it in cool areas. And then another artist with stencil will come and spray it. Street art invites you in. Street artists often come from design backgrounds or fine artists like myself, and they think very heavily about what building it's on, who's going to be looking at it. What it's done is it's kind of bridged the gap between fine art and the people. They become part of the culture and they take photos of the street art and they love it. And then they become involved in the fine art world by accident. And so it's a gateway to art. You're best to just sort of walk around and let it guide you. So, you know, walk down tiny lanes like Cause Lane and Howie Place and go in there and just get yourself lost in your own city. And you'll feel like you're seeing the city for the first time. Well, I grew up in the deep suburbs in a place called Frankston. Kind of a naughty kid. I got like a 12 out of 100 for school. But art was what I could always do. I was also drawing in my sketchbook, and at some point I managed to get into art school. From there, I've kind of become a mixture of both a research artist, so I've got a PhD now, and have a background from graffiti and urban art. Blender Studios is this awesome space where artists can come, be part of a community. I kind of think of it as an artwork in its own right. It's organic and it's flowing and it's changing. We have like 22 studios and people come from different cultures and different thoughts and religions, and it's a real mixed bag, and to have sort of a centralised community like this is very important. And then we have the common goal of making art.